If you're looking for the best charcoal grills to upgrade your backyard cooking game, you're in the right place. Grilling outdoors is one of life's simple pleasures, and having the right grill makes all the difference. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 standout charcoal grills that are getting a lot of attention this year. Whether you're after rich, smoky flavor, portable convenience, or just a smarter way to cook for friends and family, there's definitely something here for you. Let's start with a quick overview. Charcoal grills have become a must-have for anyone who loves the flavor and experience of real wood-fired cooking. They bring that authentic, smoky taste and are perfect for everything from steaks to veggies and even slow-smoked ribs. But with so many options out there, what should you actually look for? Here are a few key points to consider before buying. Think about the grill's performance and heat control. Does it cook evenly and hold the temperature well? Ease of use is important too. How simple is it to light, adjust airflow, and clean afterward? Also, check the size or capacity. Are you usually cooking for 2 or for a full house? Design and portability matter, especially if you plan to move the grill or use it in different places. Cleaning and maintenance features like ash catchers and coated materials can save time. Extras like lid locks, built-in thermometers, and shelves can also make a big difference. And of course, you want to balance price with long-term value. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's take a closer look at the top picks. First up is the Weber Jumbo Joe 18-inch. This is a compact and portable grill that still gives you a generous 240 square inches of cooking space. It features a porcelain enameled bowl and lid, rust-resistant aluminum parts, and a smart tuck-and-carry lid lock that also works as a holder while you're cooking. It's a great choice for campers, beach lovers, or tailgaters who want solid performance in a travel-friendly size. It's well-built, easy to carry, and resistant to wear. The only downside is the limited space if you're cooking for a bigger group. Next is the Royal Gourmet CC1830V, a large barrel-style grill with 627 square inches of total cooking area. It has adjustable fire grates, a chimney-style smokestack, and a built-in temperature gauge, great for serious barbecue sessions. This one is perfect for large backyards and anyone who loves hosting cookouts. It gives you tons of space and excellent control over heat and smoke. On the flip side, it's bulky and not very portable, so it's better as a fixed setup. Now let's talk about the Char Griller Patio Pro E1515. This grill offers 250 square inches of cooking space with heavy-duty cast iron grates, plus a classic barrel design. It also comes with a side shelf, tool hooks, a bottom rack, and wheels for mobility. It's a great fit for small patios, balconies, or anyone with limited space who still wants that full-flavored charcoal experience. It's sturdy and practical, though slightly heavy for its compact size. Then we have the Weber Original Kettle 22-inch, a classic that stood the test of time. It holds up to 13 burgers and includes a one-touch cleaning system, a lid hook so you don't have to place it on the ground, and excellent airflow control through its dampers. This is the go-to for everyday grilling. It's iconic, reliable, and easy to clean. While it's not as compact for travel, it's perfect for regular use at home. And finally, the Cuisinart 14-inch portable charcoal grill. This little guy weighs just 4 pounds, yet still gives you 196 square inches of cooking space, enough for 2 or 3 people. It has dual air vents, a locking lid, and an enamel-coated firebox that makes cleanup simple. It's a great choice for camping, small outdoor spaces, or quick meals. Just keep in mind that it's best suited for short, casual grilling sessions. Let's do a quick recap to help you choose the right grill for your needs. The Weber Jumbo Joe is ideal if you're looking for something portable but still powerful. The Royal Gourmet CC1830V is perfect for big gatherings and those who love to grill with precision. The Char Griller Patio Pro is a solid choice for small spaces without sacrificing performance. The Weber Original Kettle is the classic, all-around option for everyday use. and the Cuisinart 14-inch is the best pick for anyone who needs something ultra-light and compact. Before you choose, take a moment to think about how often you'll really use your grill. If you're only firing it up a few times a year, something simple and budget-friendly may be enough. But if grilling is part of your routine, investing in a higher quality model with the right features will make a big difference in your experience. A charcoal grill isn't just a tool. It's about enjoying good food, creating great moments, and making outdoor time even more special. You'll find the links to all the products I mentioned in the description below, along with a quick comparison table to help you decide more easily. Now I want to hear from you. Which one caught your attention? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you out, consider liking it, subscribing to the channel for more product reviews and tips, and sharing it with a friend who loves to grill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.